Okay, so I'm using Jodie 90, which is my paint system, and I was going to leave this and paint it sort of once I've done most of my fit out, but I've been in touch with Jotun and they've told me I should probably get another coat on now. You've got a 3-month overcoat time, or at least a 3-month overcoat time before you have to do any surface prep. So I'm just going to get on with it, put a second coat on. That's all it needs, 2 coats. So that's pretty good. I think I'm going to put the 2 coats on here. Then I'm going to put 1 coat of the actual the top coat on the inside only, because that'll mean the inside's done, and then I can get on with fitting out for that. I've also bought a seat, which I'm going to have a look at in a minute, because I want to get the seat fitted, and I want to do this because I've been down in the week, and I've been putting layers onto this, so this one's ready to come out now. Not sure that's the right blade, but anyway. It's stuck along this edge here. I could sand it, but I'm trying to not make any dust. Right. No damage there. This one's coming off easier. Oh. Yeah, that's because I haven't cut along the side. It's a bit of a shame. Oh well, never mind. Maybe that weren't such a good idea. Right, so I've got a little bit of repair on that lip to do, but with the other I chopped off a fair bit off this. So on this one I'm going to offer it up to the other and then mark it round. It's a bit difficult to explain, but this is, I think, to do with the way I used the sweeper or the comb or whatever you want to call it. It's not totally symmetrical down the centre line. So when I flip it over, they don't fit quite right. I think I can adjust it by kind of lining it up and then cutting this off at an angle. Yeah, you can see I've got a couple of little bits where I broke it getting out of the mould. That was because I didn't cut this edge because I was trying not to make dust, and I had to make dust anyway, so there we are. Sand around these edges a bit. Right, I've had a bit of a tidy up, so that's pretty much ready for the fourth and final one. Well, it is ready for it to start, so I'll make a start on that in the week, but I'm just going to have a look at this alignment now, just before I start on the next thing. I'm just going to line this up. I just wanted to have an alignment test. And that one is, you know, considerably heavier than the other. I wonder if I went an extra. Anyway. Right, you can just about see it there. Now, yeah, see, that's lined up. That's okay. Yeah, this is going to work. So I'm right on the wire there. And this side, yeah, so I've got it's going to come at a funny angle, but it doesn't matter. The point is that they'll match up and everything will be okay. So it's a kind of a error that's been rectified. So those three done. The two on that side are fitted. Well, as fitted, they'll bolt on now. They need a little bit of tickler repair here and there, and the other one, as you can see, is slightly longer. It needs modifying, but there we are. Getting there. One more to go. So I've got this seat as well that I need to get the seat in, and I'm not even sure if I'm going to bother putting a deck in, actually, because the whole point of this boat is not to be moved around inside. So I'm not sure I'm actually going to need a deck. The idea is you just stay in the seat. It's not the seat. It's a tarpaulin. Right, I'll have to do the painting then. So what I did want to do was kind of show how the seat is going to fit, or just offer it up and have a look at it, and except it's turned out to be not the seat. Maybe I'll just show it on the CAD drawing just so you get an idea. Just going to clean up inside. Right, it's got this funny lid thing. I'm not sure whether that's supposed to be so you can put it back in or what, but sure that's the greatest tin in the world. Right, I have just been, I've literally been willing that paint into empty because I've mixed way too much. This isn't a paint that you put on like neat and tidy, you just slap it on thick. I mean, that's what it says in the instructions, honestly. I've got a few drips on the inside I wouldn't mind trying to get out, but I'm absolutely done for. I've just got to remember I've kind of gone down as far as here and then down to as far as the bottom on this first section. Well, that's definitely it for today. I've had it.